It may sound far-fetched, but it happens more than you think. Normal homeowners inadvertently becoming landlords. Time and time again, I have clients approach me with this problem and asking for solutions. I'm Denise Medina, real estate attorney with Fosstone & Grisco in Northville, Michigan. In this video, I'll offer a few similar scenarios I've encountered and how you can avoid them. Let's start with example 1. Say, Eric let Adam live with him. Adam is Eric's brother. Adam said he would only stay for a couple months and then move out. It's now been over a year and he has not made any effort to move out. Moreover, Adam now has a girlfriend, Brittany, who has moved in. Eric is now Adam and Brittany's landlord. For situations where your tenant is a sibling, a friend, or other non-romantic partner, I recommend signing a lease. In simple terms, a lease agreement is a legal contract between the tenant and landlord transferring possession and use of the rental property. It specifies the duties of each party and is enforceable by both the tenant and landlord. Most importantly, the lease specifies when the tenancy begins and when it ends. If Eric and Adam had entered a lease agreement, not only would this have been a great opportunity for them to sit down and have a fruitful discussion about the pending arrangement, but they could have clearly defined the terms of the agreement in writing. Now, Eric is forced to sue Adam and Brittany and explain the shoddy arrangement to the court. Another scenario where this is common is in romantic relationships. Example 2 starts with Carrie, who owns her house. Last year, Carrie fell in love with Derek. Carrie and Derek moved in together and lived at her house. A couple of weeks ago, Carrie and Derek broke up. Derek said he will move out, but has not made any efforts to do so. Carrie is now Derek's landlord. If your tenant is a romantic partner, I highly suggest a cohabitation agreement. A cohabitation agreement is made between parties who plan to live together or are already living together in an intimate relationship, other than a valid marriage or a registered domestic partnership. A cohabitation agreement can be used to govern the parties' personal financial arrangements and/or the various business and property transactions contemplated to be entered into in the future. In example 2, Carrie and Derek had plenty of reasons to enter into a cohabitation agreement. Not only will Carrie have to evict Derek, but she will have plenty of issues when it comes to the personal property in the house. Carrie will have to explain the arrangement to the court and that she feels some of the household personal property belongs to her. While it's easy to be blinded by the relationship with the tenant, whether they're a sibling you love or a person you love, it's difficult to initiate the conversation to involve an attorney and even more difficult to draft legal documents alone. Therefore, the assistance of an experienced attorney is essential to drafting a lease or a cohabitation agreement. For a free consultation with an experienced attorney, call me today at 248-912-3220 or send me an email at dmedina@thefgfirm.law. Once again, I'm Denise Medina, real estate attorney with Fosstone & Grisco PLC in Northville, Michigan. Thank you for watching.